Speed 1, 2, and 3. There's a light in here. If you hit that, changes colors, or it will morph throughout the night. The color morphs from green to red to blue, or you can turn it off. This is sleep mode. If you put that on, all the lights go off, so that if that bothers you at night, you can have that off. That's the power. This is for the amount of humidity. This is on the back. It comes with this long spout. You can see the mist coming out, or it has another one that's just really short. One thing I don't care for is this just sets on top. It doesn't really snap on or anything. It just is setting there. I like that the tank is clear enough that you can see the level that the water's at, and that's the max fill. It's very quiet, except I've noticed at night I can hear it cycle through and it drips. It has a drip noise that kind of, I hear that, and I don't like that about it. But I think that's like that with most humidifiers. But the noise for the mist is almost silent, so I like that. And then it did come where I had to assemble it. Not really hard to assemble, but the instructions are lousy. There really are no good instructions. Even though it came with some, they're not good. But it seems to work well.
Il y avait le chiffon, les vis, la télécommande, le tournevis, mais il manque le boîtier qui va ici à l'arrière pour les huiles. Alors, il manque le boîtier ainsi que ici la pastille aromatique.